In the diagram above, a block of mass capital M is initially at rest on a horizontal surface at the base of an inclined plane. The surface and plane have negligible friction. The block is struck by a projectile of mass m traveling with a horizontal velocity vi. The projectile becomes embedded in the block, and they move together to the right with a speed vf. Which of the following is a correct expression for vf? This is clearly a completely inelastic collision. The equation for the conservation of linear momentum is applied to this situation in the following manner. Mass of the projectile times initial velocity plus mass of the block times 0 is equal to the combined mass of the two objects times final velocity. Solving for the final velocity of the two objects, we obtain the expression in option C.